Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Editing Basic. In this video, we are going to learn how to add PDF in Canva. First step is to open your preferred browser. Now on the search bar, type in canva.com. Now it will lead you to a homepage of Canva website. Here on the top right corner, you can see create a design button, click on it, and here you can see import file option, click on it. Now choose your desired PDF. Here I am choosing this one. Now click on open. After that, your upload is started. It may take some time depending on how fast your internet is, and it also may depend on your file size. After your upload is completed, simply click on it, and here you can see that PDF has been uploaded in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you.